How to get free UK number for WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the internet browser. There, search for tempsms.com. So here, scroll down. As you can see here, UK flag. So tap on free UK number. After that, you just have to scroll down, and here you will see multiple UK numbers, and you can select any one of them and tap on receive SMS. After that, you just have to copy this number and create your WhatsApp using this number. After doing so, an OTP number will be sent, and you just have to receive that OTP or verification code from here, that is from the inbox, and you can be able to create your WhatsApp using free UK numbers. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.